Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you might have many questions as you onboard with us in Israel, so we will be going through country-specific information. In order to fill your 101 form, you should click the link just below the 101 fields on the Deel platform and you will be directed to TEPES. Fill in all your personal details and attach your ID in open appendix, known in Hebrew as Sefach. If you hold a biometric ID, you should attach both sides. If you have children under the age of 19, you should add them in section Gimel. Start date should be a start date with Deel. Please note that the start date might be pushed due to uncompleted tasks, which means that we might contact you later on to request a new 101 form with an updated date. If you have more than one employer, you must present a teumas attached to this form. In section Chet, you should mark all the factors that are influencing your tax rates and add documentation that supports it, like תעודת עולה, אישור תושב, or טופס 119. If you are checking boxes 7 or 8, make sure to add your kids' ages in the relevant fields. When you complete the form, download it and submit it to the Deel platform. The Kubiot form is a document that includes all the information of your pension fund and educational fund if applicable. This form is provided to you by your pension agent, and it must include your details, Deel details that can be found in the first paragraph of your employment agreement, and your pension agent details. The second page usually includes the start date of contribution, policy number of your pension, and percentages that must match Clause 8 of your agreement. Also, your signature and your pension agent signatures. You can submit the Kubiot form during your first 2 months of employment, and the contribution will be retroactively from your start date. A form that won't be fully completed won't be approved and contributions won't start. Kindly note that an employee that won't provide the Kubiot until his 3rd month of employment, Deel will contribute the funds to the default general pension fund of Meitav Dash. If you have a bank account that is 6-digit long, please add zeros before the bank account number. Expenses must be submitted according to the local tax regulations and must be supported with a valid invoice under Deel's name or the employee's name. For questions regarding expenses, please check out our frequently asked questions. There you can also find how to submit a travel report in case you have a business trip abroad. Any travel expense that won't be supported with a travel report won't be reimbursed. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey.